Narendra Modi has become the longest serving elected Prime Minister in India's history, surpassing the tenure of the country's first elected Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru. As of June 10, 2026, Narendra Modi has completed 4,399 consecutive days in office since he first took the oath as Prime Minister on May 26, 2014. This takes him past Jawaharlal Nehru's record of 4,398 days as an elected Prime Minister. Nehru assumed office after India's first general elections on May 13, 1952 and remained in the position until his death on May 27, 1964. The milestone is being viewed as significant considering the scale and complexity of governing a country of more than 1.4 billion people with diverse languages, cultures, religions, and geographical regions. It also comes at a time when many nations have experienced political instability, frequent changes in government, and policy uncertainty, while India has witnessed continuity in leadership across 3 consecutive national mandates. According to the information released, the continued tenure reflects sustained public support in the world's largest democracy. Independent international surveys have also consistently ranked Prime Minister Narendra Modi among the world's most popular democratic leaders. In addition, he has been conferred with the highest civilian honors by more than 30 countries. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's political journey is often highlighted for his rise from a humble socio-economic background to the country's highest elected office without the support of a political dynasty. Supporters describe this as an example of the opportunities and social mobility offered by India's democratic system. During his tenure, the government has overseen several major initiatives and development programs. Official data cited by the government states that nearly 250 million Indians have moved out of multi-dimensional poverty during this period. The years under his leadership have also witnessed the rapid expansion of digital public infrastructure, large-scale infrastructure projects, improvements in welfare delivery systems, and broader socio-economic development. On the economic and international fronts, India has strengthened its position as the world's fastest growing major economy, concluded significant trade agreements with leading global economies, and expanded its influence on international issues. The country has taken a more prominent role in discussions related to development, technology, climate action, and the priorities of the global south. With 4,399 consecutive days in office, Prime Minister Narendra Modi now holds the distinction of being the longest serving elected Prime Minister in the history of independent India. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.